Bro, I literally made $600,000 in the past month with meme coins. So make sure you watch till the end of the video because I am ungatekeeping the whole blueprint. Now if y'all don't know, every single coin on the blockchain, specifically on Memescope, are gonna get rug pulled at some point. For example, this coin right here. It dropped tremendously. It basically got rug pulled, right? This coin. Yeah, it got rug pulled so much. The dev of this coin made so much money. You have to stop trading meme coins and you have to start creating them because you will have full control over your coin and you will be able to make so much money on demand and then get away with thousands of dollars. And that's exactly why in today's video I will be teaching you exactly how to launch your own coin, and when the coin reaches a high enough market cap, simply just remove the liquidity after and then make thousands of dollars for every single coin launch. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only. Do not copy me. I am simply here to show you how it works. Obviously, if you are broke, you have to watch this video to get rich. But if you are already rich, just click off the video and yeah, have a good day. But yeah, anyways, for the ones who actually want to make some money, just listen up because the first step is to actually create and launch your own coin. To do that, you want to come to launch tokenfast.fun. And you will be redirected here, okay? And here you can basically create your own coin by putting the token name, token symbol, and the token image. So for example, if Elon Musk or Trump did a tweet, you could simply come here and make a coin extremely fast with no coding required. And the coin will be launched on the Raydium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun, because if you don't know, Pump.Fun is too saturated and at this point it doesn't work anymore, so you have to be launching your coins on launchtokens.fun. And if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can come to the copy trending coins feature right here and you can duplicate any coin you want because every single coin here is trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you are basically listing these coins back up on the Raydium DEX and you are making way more money. So you are guaranteed to get buyers since these coins all have a good narrative, okay? Now this coin right here, here we go, just caught my attention because first of all, it has 720 replies and it has a $40,000 market cap. So I'm going to create coin. Oh, I have to connect my wallet first. So connect your wallet, go inside your wallet, connect. After that, as you can see, it's connected. Create coin. Then, okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just skip and proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And then your coin is being created shortly. Okay, it is created. Now copy your token address and click on create liquidity pool. After that, here it's already selected. Your Solana balance is selected. Here click on max because you want to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity to the public to be traded, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you are not losing this money since you will be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose, okay? So I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. And then you can do create pool. Then obviously make sure you have enough in your Solana balance right here. Then do confirm. Then click on refresh. Okay, popped up. As you can see, you're already 20% in profit. Now click on view on photon. And boom, your coin is live. It already pumped a lot, so just wait for more buyers. Okay, the coin did dip a bit, but don't be worried, okay? Just wait for initial traction to kick in. Okay, now it's pumping a bit. As you can see, the coin is now pumping. Now, if you come back to launchtoken.funds, and you click on refresh, you can see the profit is now increasing, so we're already $40 in profit. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity because if you come back to launchtokens.fun and you click on refresh, okay, now you're already $100 in profit. Now, I'm not sure if I should remove the liquidity. I might wait for more buyers to come in. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. What the fuck? It's pumping. Okay, now I think I might remove the liquidity. So come back to launch tokens.fun, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Confirm. And boom! I just removed the liquidity, and that's how you make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins. And just to prove that all of this shit actually works, I'm going to open my Phantom wallet in 3, 2, 1. Boom! $350 in my Phantom wallet. I think I started with like $120, so I made around $250 off one meme coin launch. And if that isn't proof that you can make a shit ton of money, bro, I don't know what is, because launch tokens.fun is a money glitch. You can make so much money. The link to this website will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram down below, and yeah, bye.